Welcome, fellow adventurers. We know that camping can be a bit of a hassle sometimes, but fear not. We've searched the internet and tested out some of the coolest camping tech innovations out there to make your next outdoor excursion a breeze. From nifty gadgets to high-tech gear, our list has got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your camping game with these awesome products. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the DOZAVI Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. The DOZAVI Kit is a great investment for anyone who wants to be prepared for any emergency situation while camping or hiking. The kit includes all the essential tools and supplies you need, from a tactical flashlight and wire saw to wound closure strips and a dual-tube whistle. The First Aid Kit is comprehensive and well-stocked with bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and other medical supplies. The kit is also very durable and reliable, thanks to the high-quality materials and construction. The tools are made of stainless steel or other sturdy materials, and the first aid supplies are all FDA approved. The kit comes with a maul pouch for easy carrying and storage, and the red color makes it easy to spot in an emergency. We think the DOZAVI Survival Kit and First Aid Kit is a great investment for anyone who loves camping and outdoor adventures. In at number 4 is the Outsunny Foldable Camping Cot. We used the Outsunny Foldable Camping Cot on a weekend camping trip and were impressed with its convenience and comfort. The tent and cot are separate pieces, which allowed us to use them together or separately depending on our needs. The air mattress inflated quickly with the foot pump, and the bedspread provided an extra layer of warmth on cooler nights. The elevated cot kept us off the ground and protected from any moisture, and the tent kept us dry during a brief rain shower. It was easy to set up and take down, making it a great option for those who want to spend more time enjoying the outdoors and less time fiddling with gear. We'd recommend the Outsunny Foldable Camping Cot for anyone looking for a comfortable and convenient camping solution. The third product on our list is the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. We took the Stanley Cook Set on a camping trip and were impressed with its performance. The vented lid allowed us to cook on our portable stove without any issues, and the locking handle provided stability while stirring. We appreciated that the set is made of durable stainless steel and is naturally BPA-free. But the size of the pot may be too small for some users, so keep that in mind when considering this set. We would recommend the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set for those looking for a reliable and compact cooking set for their camping trips. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. Just be aware of the plastic cups and small pot size. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Coleman Instant Cabin. The Coleman Instant Cabin is a great option for those who want to save time setting up their tent. The pre-attached poles make it incredibly easy to assemble, and the WeatherTech system keeps you dry in case of rain. The rugged fabric ensures that the tent will last for lots camping trips. One drawback to this tent is the center height of 4 foot 11 inch, which may be too low for some people. And the tent only has one door, which could be inconvenient for larger groups. At 19.1 pounds, it may also be too heavy for backpacking trips. The Coleman Instant Cabin is a reliable and easy-to-use camping tent that is perfect for those who want to spend less time setting up camp and more time enjoying the great outdoors. The best camping innovation is the Gazelle Tent T4 Plus Hub Tent. We used the T4 Plus Hub Tent on a week-long camping trip and were impressed with its durability and ease of use. The tent is incredibly easy to set up, taking only 90 seconds to assemble thanks to its hub design. The tent is also quite spacious, with room for 4 to 8 people and plenty of additional gear. One of the standout features of the Gazelle tent is its convertible screen room, which can be used for additional leisure or sleeping area. This feature really came in handy during our trip, as we were able to use the extra space for storage and relaxation. Another great feature of this tent is its waterproof and UV-resistant material, which provided us with protection from the elements. We were able to stay dry during a particularly rainy night and were also shielded from the sun during the day. The tent is quite large and may be too big for solo campers or small groups. And the tent is quite heavy, making it difficult to transport on foot. We would highly recommend the Gazelle Tent T4 Plus Hub Tent to anyone looking for a spacious and durable tent for their camping trip. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.